Hello everyone, welcome back to Study with Prabin sir. Today we will learn a very important concept from the chapter percentage, that is how to find population in past years. This concept is super useful for exams, so watch carefully till the end. Now type 20, question number 26. If the annual increase in the population of a town be 25% and the present population be 87,500, what was it 3 years ago? Now listen, first I will explain these questions by using a formula. Then I will tell you how to remember that formula. So here the formula is PWA is equal to P year into 100 by 100 plus minus R to the power t. So where PWA is equal to population was, that means the population before t years, and PPR is equal to population at present and R is the rate percent per annum, T is the time in years. Now here, if the annual increase in the population of a town be 25%, that means here R is 25% and the present population is 87,500. That means here 87,500 into 100 by, because here the rate percent is increased, so that's why we have to use the plus symbol. So it is 100 plus 25. Now the time is 3 years. That means we have to find the population before 3 years. So that is equal to 87,500 into 100 by 125 into 100 by 125. into 100 by 125. Then here I have to erase this part. So here division divided by, that means here when this 100 is divided by 25 it becomes 4, and when this 125 is divided by 25 it becomes 5. So similarly we are all getting here 4, and here we are getting 5. Similarly here we are getting 4, and here we are getting 5. Now when this 87,500 is divided by this 5, so it becomes 1 7 5 00. Again when this is divided by this 5, so it becomes 3 5 00. And again when this 3500 is divided by this 5, so it becomes 700. So after multiplication we are getting it as 44,800. 44,800. That means here option B is the right answer. Now how to remember this? Listen, the concept is like this. Now here the concept is like this. Now here the present population is 87,500. Again, listen, in this type of question we have two factors. One is the 100 and another one is the 100 plus rate percentage or 100 minus rate percentage. Here now one factor is 100, so another one will be, out of these two one will be there. If it is increased then we have to use this factor, and if it is decreased we have to use this factor. Now listen, the present population is 87,500, and what was it 3 years ago? That means after increasing now we are getting 87,500. That means before some years the value will be less than that of the present value. That means what fraction we should have to multiply. Now if the previous value is less than that of the present value, that means our numerator will be less than that of denominator. So here numerator will be 100 and denominator will be 125, because 100 plus r, so that is 25%. So here at right percentage, r percent. Now so again that means this is for 1 year. Then for 3 years we have to multiply it thrice. 100 by 125, again 100 by 125. That means after calculation we will get 44,800. Now the next question, that is question number 27. Here the question is, if the annual decrease in the population of a town be 20% and the present population be 25,600. What was it 2 years ago? Now the formula is here. The formula is PWA is equal to P at present into 100 by 100 minus, as it is decreased, that means it will be minus R to the power T. So here the present population is 25,600 into this 100 by 100 minus R, that means 100 minus 20 to the power 2. So that is equal to 25,600 into 100 by 80 into 100 by 80. Here this 0 cancels this 0, again this 0 cancels this 0. Now 8, when 256 is divided by this 8, so it becomes 8 3 is 24 to 32. Again when this 32 is cancelled by this 8, so it becomes 4. So 4 into 100 into 100, so that is equal to 40,000. I have to write it in a clear way. So that is equal to 40,000. That means here option A is the right answer. Now how to remember this formula? Now listen, here the present population is 25,600. We have to find the population before 2 years. That means what fraction we have to multiply. Now in percentage type of question, one factor is 100, and here as it is decreased, so another factor is 100 minus R. Now here R is 20, so it is 100 minus 20, that is equal to 80. That means we have to multiply by using a fraction, and in that fraction one value is 100, another value is 80. But what should be the numerator? Listen, the present population after decreasing, the present value is 25,600. That means before the present population, the population will be more than the present population. So that means the fraction will be a greater than one fraction. That means here the numerator will be more than that of the denominator. So it is 100 by 80 for 1 year, as it is given for 2 years. So we have to multiply it with another fraction, that is 100 by 80. Now after calculation we will get it as 40,000. That means here option A is the right answer. If this video helped you understand percentage better, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Study with Prabin sir. See you in part 14 with more exam focused questions. Thank you for watching.